Hey guys, what's going on? Coming at you with my daily 9 a.m. videos. Today's Monday morning. Before I get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Really, I just wanted to talk about a stock that is actually top 3 of mine. So I own currently 17 stocks. This is my 3rd biggest position. It's basically 90% filled out right now, but this is one that's still really on my radar. I wouldn't mind 100% filling it out shortly, because I really do think come fall or late summer, it's probably going to start running and it's never going to go back down. That's my opinion. So the stock's Corsair Gaming, ticker is Crsr. Currently, it closed Friday at $28.08. So this is a really good buy now. Like, if you're not in this stock, buying at $28.08 or anywhere near that is a great buy. My cost base is $31 right now, $31. So I'm obviously upside down, but I've been actively buying it. I was even buying this stock close to $40 a share when the market was so hot in the winter, which is fine. I liked the valuation even at $40 a share. So right now, it's a great buy. That's my cost base. Really, sub $30 is, in my opinion, an amazing buy for the stock long term. I am a long-term investor. So, I'm not really doing day trades, options, or any of that stuff. So as a long-term investor, if you want to get in the gaming segment, this is a great time to buy the stock. I feel like it's very modern. It's very futuristic. They really know the trends that are going on with the younger generation and stuff like that. So definitely a good stock to buy. Currently, where I would add to my position, probably $27.50-ish. I did actually buy it at $26.51 about a week ago. I should have bought a little more at that price, and that was actually the rock bottom of where it really dipped in the past 6 months. So that was a really good buy. I got it within, I think, a cent of the rock bottom. So that's awesome. But if it does go anywhere below the $27.50, I'd be interested in buying. If I do buy it, I will make a video letting you know how much I bought percentage-wise of my position and at what price. So, there's a lot of activity going on in this stock, which is good. Wall Street might be looking at this a little bit. I know it's on Wall Street Bets. I know it's on Reddit, and, it has a lot of talk and hype around it. So just because Logitech earnings just came out and all that stuff. And, I think really Wall Street's looking at the stock is because we were just on lockdown for the past year. A lot of people were playing video games, obviously. And I think their misconception of the stock is that they think that people are going to go out more. And really, if you like video games, you like video games, and you're going to play no matter what. So that's the little misconception in this stock, but that's fine. Just gives you opportunity to buy and add to your position, or positions if you already have it. So my thoughts on the market, it's so confusing right now. Really nothing makes sense in the market. The treasury bonds are still really low. Inflation's higher than what they thought. I still think it's transitory, but half people think it's not. The Delta variant, these other new variants are flaring up. They're more contagious. People that are vaccinated can get it. People that are unvaccinated can get it. We're not sure how the fall and winter are going to turn out with the cases growing like crazy right now in the summer. So there's a lot of uncertainty in the market, but really that's what you want as a long-term investor, because it gives you an opportunity to buy really good companies. So what I did, as I said in my last video, I'm just staying super cash heavy right now. I'm like 30% cash again. And that's really, where I'm going to stay unless there's like a big market correction, or, stocks like this go anywhere in this range, I'll buy this. I just want to have a lot of cash now, because a lot can happen. The way I position myself, honestly, is my position is 90% built out, right? And it's at $31. I'm totally happy with that long term. I feel like I'm gonna, 3 to 4x my money, no doubt. So I'm happy with where the position's at right now, but if it gets to silly pricing like this, I have to buy more. So it's kind of a win-win for me. If it stays where it's at or goes up, great, I have my position built out. If it goes down a lot, cool, I'll buy more and get a great deal on it. So that's really the mindset you want when you start buying stocks. You wanna do your research, look at the fundamentals of the company, look at the industry, make sure it's a growing industry. And when you start building out a position, you really want the stock to go down. So it's really a win-win as a long-term investor, as long as you pick good fundamental stocks, if that makes sense. So a lot of people that do day trades or options, like, yeah, you want the stock to go up real quick and then you sell it. You take like a 5-10% gain, that's a win. But you know, that to me is risky, because what if things start locking down? You're like, oh great, I just lost 10% of my money. I don't believe in the stock long term. It's got bad fundamentals. I just lost money. And then it gets you get a really bitter taste in your mouth about the market. So that's why I long-term invest. This is where I'm at cash-wise. I'm pretty cash heavy. And if I make any purchases this week, I will make a video and let you guys know. So till tomorrow morning, that's all I got. Make sure you like and subscribe in the corner down there. It's much appreciated. Trying to get to 600 subs by the end of this month. And if so, awesome. And that's all I got. Till tomorrow. Peace.